Wow. Look at that. Wow.
You must find just the right spot.
Okay, my friend. Now.
What is he doing?
Hey, beauty.
It was always my dream in life to be a rock star.
See me.
I was going to be a rock star, but never the way I could imagine.
I think it would take me about 5,000 years to balance a rock.
All these rocks, these are my goals.
Wow.
Everybody else out here, their goals are much more important than my goals of bouncing rocks.
Unbelievable.
He doesn't have any putty or anything on it at all?
Wow. Oh, great.
But we all have one thing in common.
Amazing.
You got to be unstoppable to reach your goals. I just bring a little awareness to that.
I can't believe it. Did you know that, honey? There's no putty. That's unreal.
Like a rock. Talk to me.
Boom, rock, balance. You know I'm going to go home and try this.
We just don't take the time to look at a rock and see the potential that this man is showing us right here.
It was there. Not yet. Just my way to let you know that balance is the future.
Unbelievable.
And about that word impossible, it's a word that just doesn't exist in my world.
I believe you now.
Nothing lasts forever.
Just the excitement and the glamour. It always seems like they never have to work and they're always making so much money and it just looks fun.
You get to be someone that you aren't, kind of get out of reality for a little while.
Lots of good-looking guys.
And get to kiss a lot of girls.
It'd be great, doing the kissing scenes and, the romantic scenes.
Ah, yes, the romance of it all. Being swept away in your lover's arms or doing the sweeping, it doesn't matter when it comes to love on the soaps.
You watch enough soap operas, you can probably do this, can't you?
This may not be Sunset Beach, but Mission Beach does just fine. I gave scripts to some couples I met to see how they would do a confrontational love scene. Action!
Billy, I thought I didn't know what to think. You stopped coming by. You didn't return my calls. I couldn't figure out what I've done.
What did I do?
Nothing, it wasn't you.
Oh, why do I get the feeling I should still be worried?
It's complicated.
Is this about telling me you don't love me anymore?
No, God,
It's another woman, isn't it?
Let me explain.
I knew it. It is another woman.
Caitlin, believe me, you've got no clue.
I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it was another woman!
Believe me, you've got no clue.
Believe me, you haven't got a clue.
I don't have a clue? What? Did you just meet her? Or have you been dating her for a long time? What? True love doesn't come without a little fight.
And you just couldn't resist.
No, we're through now. I mean,
I knew her before we met.
We aren't breaking up, right?
I hope not.
Nothing good is ever easy. You're not still involved with this older woman, are you?
It's nerve-wracking. I mean, I felt myself just nervous just doing it out here for fun.
She was just gorgeous and lonely and available
And younger. Older.
No, she was older.
But in the end, love prevails.
You're the best, Billy.
Love conquers all.
You're the best, Billy.
You're the best, Billy. I love you, Billy.
Oh.
You step right over that hill, the fire's right there.
It's flaming up there. They were hitting it with them, a big plane kept dropping.
They need to go up that road.
Fire.
Fire, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big fire, sweetie. Yeah, we have to do something. We aren't.
He's probably been halted. That was a stallion.
Got everything I could think of.
Probably lost some of my livestock. This is the way you fight a fire.
He's never been haltered. Got him.
significant wind shift. This is going to be a whole new ball game.
Yes, I know. I know. It's scary, huh? Come on.
We're doing fine. We made it through.
I can see that. Good deal.
Yeah, I fought it hard.
I'm probably not going to drive.
Didn't have a heart attack. 73 and made it fine.
She's the last one in there and she's mine.
There's not much sadness in just losing things. Yeah, what we have here is we've won a war. We've won a war.